Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Second row and fourth row we have 5. Column J also we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H and column I we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Fifth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row and column I we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column H we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. In column I, only one numbers are remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column J we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, only one numbers are remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9 will confirm later. Fifth row and seventh row and column G we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. In this cell, we have 4 numbers 3, 9, 1, 6. 4 numbers can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row and seventh row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. And column F also we have 2. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. In this grid, we have 3, 3, 8, 9. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column E and column G we have 6. Fourth row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row and 8th row and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. In this grid we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column F we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fourth row only one numbers are remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. We will confirm later. Column E and column G we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. 7th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. In this grid, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only one numbers are remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Column F, you have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row and 10th row and column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, only one numbers are remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Seventh row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. We'll confirm later. Then in this grid, only 1 numbers are remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. We'll confirm later. Second row, only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 3. Column D, we have 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 can't come in this cell. It will come any of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C and column D we have 8. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Tenth row, only one numbers are remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Ninth row, only one numbers are remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column C, we have 1, so it can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.